Hi everyone! As you can see, the rainy season has started. The car was parked outside in the rain all night. Just look at what happened. This has never occurred before. The entire interior is flooded. Last night, I noticed a little water leaking from under the steering column, so I placed a newspaper there. But by morning, this is what I found. Now I need to figure out what caused this, whether it's due to clogged drain holes letting water into the cabin, or if water is seeping through the engine control unit located in the engine bay. If you've experienced a similar issue, share your solutions in the comments. I opened the hood, and it looks like clogged drains are the culprit. With nowhere else to go, the water is leaking directly into the cabin under the driver's feet. I didn't catch the problem in time, so now I'll need to disassemble and dry the interior. But more on that in the next videos. Stay tuned!